If you have been using Aqua Rich body lotion, you have been wondering how to know original Aqua Rich body lotion, or you have not actually bought it before, you want to buy it, but and you want to know how to know original and fake Aqua Rich body lotion. I'm going to be showing you how to know the original Aqua Rich body lotion. I got the lotion and I also followed the steps. I'm going to be inserting the video and showing you the exact message that I received that actually says that this particular product is original. So when you want to buy your product, when you want to buy your Aqua Rich body lotion, make sure you look out for the code and make sure you get the text before you pay for that particular lotion, because Aqua Rich body lotion is good. I've made a review about the product. It is good, okay, but make sure you are getting the original one. So I'm going to go ahead and insert the video and insert everything you need to know and do a voiceover. Thank you for clicking today's video. Consider liking and also sharing this video because it is going to help somebody. So have you used Aqua Rich body lotion before? Share which one you use in the comment section and how it was on your skin. And have you also confirmed if the one you are using is original or fake? So this is the variant that I have here. This is the Aqua Rich Hydrating Bright Body Lotion. It has turmeric and vitamin C in it. So this has blemish control. That is, it helps with blemishes on your skin. It helps with discoloration. It helps to unify your skin. It has antioxidant properties because of the turmeric and the vitamin C that it has in it. Now under it, look for this inscription, NIMS USA. This is inscribed into the bottle like it is fabricated with the container. So make sure that the one you buy has this thing written under it. The next thing to look out for is this logo. This like a shell, something like that, like a shell logo. Look out for it. Also look at this inscription very well and make sure that it's exactly what you have. This is not written, this is like inscribed. Like you can see, it also has registered there. So also look for this particular sticker here that has a scannable logo and also a scratch code. Okay, so make sure that one of them goes before you make any payment. Now sometimes you are going to scan that logo. Depending on the phone that you have, that logo is not going to go for you. Do you understand? If the logo does not go, if it doesn't scan, you are going to need to scratch that place. Scratch it and send the code to the number that is written that place. Okay, once you send the code to that particular number, it doesn't take time. You are going to get a message which I'm going to be inserting also, the message that I got. Okay, so this particular product is formulated in Korea. You can see their website. They have a website that you can check out. I don't know if you can actually order from their website in Nigeria, but you can try to see if you can order directly from their website. They have other products now. They even have a face cream, face toner, and all of those things. This is actually a very good product when it comes to moisturizing, when it comes to evening out your skin tone. But one thing I advise for people that use Aqua Rich is make sure you have dry skin, or better still, use it during cold season because it is super moisturizing and it can make you to sweat, and it can also make you to have skin tags. That is when you are over sweaty and scratching, it can develop to something else. So make sure you have dry skin if you are going to use this lotion. So this is what the message says in case it is too tiny and you can't find it. It says query result, verification successful. Congratulations, your item has been confirmed as 100% genuine and authentic Aqua Rich product by the very fixed security system. Thank you for verifying your purchase and always buy from trusted sources. Keep your verification code safe for reference. So this is how to know original Aqua Rich body lotion from the fake Aqua Rich body lotion. Mind you, the fake is out there. There are some you are going to buy and you are going to try the scannable link. It is not going to go. You are going to try the code method, send the message, and you are not going to receive any feedback. So make sure to go through this verification before you make payment after buying this particular product, and also check the one you have at home so you are sure of the body lotion you are applying to make sure it is the original Aqua Rich body lotion and not the fake one.